How to download Castle app on Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To download the Castle app on your Android, it is pretty simple. What you can do is just launch your Play Store application in your device. Make sure you have connected account in your Play Store. Now once you are in here, in the top right you will see a search icon, or if you have the latest Play Store, then tap on the search button at the bottom right. From here in the search bar, go ahead and search for Castle app. Then tap on Castle Make and Play. There you will see the install button that you can tap on. Now mind it might take a while depending upon the application size as well as the Wi-Fi speed that you have. Now once it is installed, you can easily go ahead and launch a Castle app and play. If you are an iOS user, you can launch your App Store, and in your App Store you can search for Castle app, and just like in your Android you can tap on the install button, and right after it installs you can play. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.